measured?
Well, there's a lot to this. They use a Fugit scale. There are 5 types on the Fugit scale. FO, light, F1, moderate, F2, considerate, and F3, severe. F4 is designating. 4-5 is incredible. This is measured of wind speed. The 4-5 is very strong and powerful. It is the most powerful tornado. 4-0 is the weaker tornado. 4-0 is the weaker tornado. And up to 4-5, it keeps getting more powerful. The speed of wind can go from over 260 degrees.
Holy crap.
Whoa.